Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to CUBOT Note 9. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on CUBOT. Then choose Send on XIAOMI and Receive on CUBOT smartphone. Following that, you need to click on all of those type of dots, and when you're ready, choose Send here. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now though, so I'll go with only one file, choose Send and click on Got it. Now on CUBOT, scroll down, choose No Thanks or Yes I Agree and close this window. Finally, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on CUBOT, then choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can input this key here and tap on Receive button instead. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!